I'm gonna die. Never mind. I'm the luckiest. I'm the luckiest monkey in gorilla tag. No, I'm not, because I'm being chased. Hey, bro. You know, we can, like, talk. I can't go on ground either. That's crazy. Ground mains hate this. Are you I'm actually gonna kill myself, basically. Oh, bro, chill. I have one arm. This kid's targeting disabled people. You're targeting disabled people. I'm reporting you. You're targeting disabled people. I'm reporting you for cancel.
What?
I'm reporting you for cancel.
What did I do?
I'm joking! Bro, this guy's targeting me again, bro. You know what? I fucking hate my life. Oh my god, I've survived. Oh my god. Bro, it's filling up again. Are you joking? I'm not trying to do it anymore. I'm gonna have to stay on walls. But I can't because I have one arm. Ah! I was in a call with TTT Pig and I learned a bunch of... Oh my... I fucking hate my life. And I'm it! Haha! What the fuck? Yo, bro, can you do a muscle pose for me? Can you do any pose you want? I'm getting off after one more round. One, because this game sucks now, and two, because I need to go to sleep.
Bro, I'm gonna go like Blade and Sorcery after this round.
Oh yeah, I love Blade and Sorcery. Bro, not this again! I hate my life. Never mind. I actually... No! 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 No!
His hand is in his neck.
Oh, hail Hunter VR. He had a good life.
Oh, I forgot.